Hey guys, it's me here, and today we are going to be finding rares in the shops. So if you guys haven't already, y'all should go add me on League Planet to have a chance at being a video. It also helps if y'all send gifts for the mail time. I think I'm going to make that the 18th, so if you guys want to do that, you got to do it now. And there we go, we're going to dress up our avatar a little bit. I like that, and then we'll make her look like, I'm still sick, guys. I feel a lot better. I'll be right back, guys, hold on. See if I can still do it. Let's go, dudes. I don't have my phone. It's in my dad's car, and he's getting an MRI, so I can't be distracted today. Many of you are probably happy about that because last video all you heard in the background was my phone. Oh my god, these freckles suck. Okay, so I don't know how I want to make this look. All I know is that I want her to look pretty, okay? That's all I want. That's actually not that bad looking, that shirt. I don't know. Ooh, wait. That's cute. Okay. If I bought another one in different color, that would look cute. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we're going to quickly open that. Now, I have to check something really quick. I don't know if you guys can hear me and I'm scared. Sorry guys. If you guys can hear me and I'm just doing this to be annoying, I'm sorry. Because, there we go. I'm sorry if you guys didn't like that. I had to. Alright, so now we're going to get to this video. The video is finding rares in the shops. Let's go. So, I know my video quality isn't the best, but I don't care. I put so much effort into my videos for you guys, and I would like if you guys would actually like them and think they're good videos, because they take a lot of work and effort. And I don't just throw videos out there that I think y'all like and not, observe it enough clearly. And you guys hate it. Because, from my personal reference, videos that I don't like, I don't post. Because I feel that if I don't like it and it's my own video, I don't think y'all are gonna like it. Simple as that. So, let's quickly... Shh! Let's find some rares. I know there's rares in the... I've actually never seen this hair. It's cute. I've never seen it though. If y'all know if this is rare or not, tell me. Guys, I have not found any rare. I think this is rare because I've never seen it. But just because I've never seen it doesn't mean it's a rare. So, I don't know. Let's see. That's cute. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite theme to end this video because we obviously aren't going to find anything. I kind of just had to make a video to post it because I'm trying to post every day. So let's find my favorite. What is it called? Theme. My favorite theme. This was one of my, there was a rare week after thrift. It's probably either this one or this one or probably this one. I like this one and all, but it's ugly. So, oh guys, in my last video, the girl I messaged, I got blocked. So, we're probably gonna make another video of me annoying her. So, if y'all want to see that, I'm gonna post another video of it. So I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe, send me gifts, for the mail time. And I'll see y'all later. Bye!